Ah.
Don't put it on the side.
Here. I didn't. He moved it to his side. I don't like it. Louie, you like my finger? You like applesauce, huh, Louie? He likes applesauce. Got it on your nose, Louie.
Maybe he actually doesn't even the whole thing. Oh, he'll probably freak out.
Do it.
He's sucking on it?
Yeah.
Sucking on my finger. He thinks something's gonna come out. You know what that means. Sometimes I can't get my finger back. Applesauce all over his face. I know, that's exactly what's gonna happen. Look at your face, Louie. Louie, look at your face. Louie. Louie, you want this applesauce? Yes.
Come give me a napkin.
Louie.
Excuse me. Do you have to be in here for this?
Well, it's part of my job description, but if you one of those shy guys.
Louie, it's wet down there. Did you pee on my leg?
Yeah.
Really? Put that on the table. Well, that gets you up, didn't it?
So why don't you just back up? Okay, Grandpa. What are you, their pimp and these your skank hoes?
Why is he biting the plastic fork?
I don't know. Don't give him no more. He's gonna think that's his food. You greedy turd.
Can I just put it with his food?
No, that's more of a treat because it's apple. Strawberry apple. So I'll suck my finger off.